Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today I will help you troubleshoot why FaceTime might not be working on your iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, ensure that your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Then you open the Setting app, you scroll down to find the FaceTime. When you do find it, tap on it. Ensure FaceTime is toggled on and you are signed in with your Apple ID. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. Press and hold the side button and volume up button until the slider appears. Then slide the power off. Turn your iPhone back on. You can always check for software updates available. Go to Settings, tap General, then Software Updates and install any available updates. And that's it guys. Hopefully FaceTime is now working on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick tips. See you next time. Bye.